I've been working on my GitHub project, Mega Index Cloudflare, and it's a really interesting Cloudflare project. Here you can see this. Index your Mega account using Cloudflare workers to make it faster. One thing I face with Mega is slow downloads. And if you're using a browser, it keeps them inside the browser and then downloads. That's a bad approach. Also, Mega imposes a quota restriction. I think it's about 5 GB per IP for free, and this project aims to get around those Mega restrictions. So let's start how it works and how we can implement it. For this, you need a Mega account, and you can use any temporary account or something like that. That's up to you. And the next thing you need is a Cloudflare account. Those are the only two requirements. Once you deploy it, it stays active forever. So let's begin. And here first I've created a Mega account, and this is the account ID and password. Let's log into it. Just copy this username and paste it. And next, the password. Don't use this password because I'll change it later. And click Login. This is just to prove that I've logged into this account. There's a test folder, and some of these files are in here. You can see there are some small files. So I open this folder. There are lots of files inside, and this file and this one. I just want to preview a few of these. Now the part we need is to go to this GitHub page and follow these steps. First, you need to go to a code generator. You can see this is the link. Click it for that code generator. You'll see there's a notice. Just click I understand, and then it will ask for your Mega account and password. So paste this account's username and the password. That's the whole process. And there's no other theme available right now. In the future, I'll add more themes. After that, you need to click Generate Custom Worker.js. After clicking, it'll say Generating Code. After that, it shows a completed message. A quick request. You need to disable all your ad blockers. If you don't, you'll get a pop-up showing an ad blocker warning, and the code won't generate. So turn it off. Next, you'll see it generate the code. You can scroll down. There's the code that's generated here. You can see its code. Don't be scared of this code. Just click the Copy Code button and that's all. Now you need to create a Cloudflare account. That's simple. Go to dash.cloudflare.com and press Enter. Just sign up or log in. It's a very simple process, you know it. And here's my brand new Cloudflare account. Here, you need to go to this Compute button and a drop-down appears. You need to click Workers and Pages. After clicking that, you get this page to create an application for the workers. So click this Create Application button. Then you need to select Start with Hello World, and it'll ask for a worker name. You can choose a name or just deploy it. I'll just choose a name like Megatest. Then deploy. It'll take some time, and after this, a page appears with an Edit Code option in the top right corner. Click Edit, and after that, you'll get a boilerplate template of code. You don't need this. Just select all, Ctrl+A, or select with your mouse and clear it all. That's not what we want. Then paste this code with Ctrl+V, and you'll see the code is pasted. This is the same code we generated from the code generator, and click the Deploy button, and that's all. You've successfully generated your Mega Quota Bypasser, or Mega Index, call it anything. Then what you do is click the Visit button in the top right corner. Just click it. Wait a moment, and you'll see our Mega account now indexed on this Cloudflare interface. We can open this folder too, files and their sizes. That's all we wanted. Now I'm going to show how to download a shared Mega link. For that, I have some sample Mega download links. Here, I'll use this first one, Ubuntu's ISO link, and you can see it's 6.2 gigabytes. You know that Mega has limits. You can only use about 5 gigabytes per IP. So what I'm going to do is give it this, and for proof, I want to show these Mega links. Not accounts, the links. Let me show this shared link. Wait a bit more. Oh, why is it taking so long? Let me fast forward. It's loaded. It's showing it has 6.2 gigabytes, and you can simply download it. But there's an alternate method. Using this, you can, well, I won't do it directly. For proof, let me go to the same index page, then click, not this page, but the index page. Then just copy this Mega link. And here you'll see the Index Public Link button. Click it, and paste the link here, then click Index it. Here it shows a download link or a button or something like that. So I'll download this into the Downloads folder and save it. You can see my internet connection is too slow. That's why it's sitting at around 2 or 3 megabytes per second. It can go beyond that. You can right-click it and copy the download link. Let me show Free Download Manager. I'll paste this here. Add download, then paste the link and click OK. Now click download, and I can see my download is too slow, 4 megabytes per second. I think that's about the maximum because I'm too far from the Wi-Fi, the hotel router. Anyway, you can see, I'll show how far this download gets.